We do not want a speaker who says, I'm a good speaker because as long as there's a remote control, there will be somebody pressing buttons and I'll just be moving as required. A speaker is not there for himself or herself. A speaker is there for the members of parliament and the people of Uganda, because that house belongs to the people. So I am now calling upon the citizens of Uganda, please start calling your members of parliament and advise them that you will be waiting in 2031. Right now, they are abusing the citizens of Uganda because my rating has not gone below 70% among the general public. Even if you go now to that garage, you, the media, just go to the garage and ask them, who would you vote for speaker? They will tell you Norbert. But these are the people who voted for those MPs who are now abusing them. The Baganda say, omukadde akwatira ku mmere ye. That will be in 2031. For now, they have forgotten who sent them to parliament. So every new member of parliament, every member of the 12th parliament should ask one question. What do my voters want? Lastly, the most important thing that came out of Chankwanze is that finally the president has repeated that adui number one is corruption. So, if you have someone who has been identified with corruption, it only means that that person will attract also the corrupt. The president went further by even calling out Honorable Sise Namuju, who is one of the top campaigners of the incumbent speaker, and asked her, how many days did you spend in prison? And said, you know, this one I arrested her. But now she's my friend because she has given me information about other thieves. That finally the president has repeated that adui number one is corruption. So, if you have someone who has been identified with corruption, it only means that that person will attract also the corrupt. The president went further by even calling out Honorable Sise Namuju, who is one of the top campaigners of the incumbent speaker, and asked her, how many days did you spend in prison? And said, you know, this one I arrested her. But now she's my friend because she has given me information about other thieves who I'm now going to tackle. What message does that send to you? So if you say you are fighting malaria, can you be a friend to mosquitoes? Also, if there is somebody with a stench of corruption, you know, a stench will attract flies. And if you, however much you spray the flies, the only way to get rid of them is to remove the stench and throw it away. The flies will follow it wherever it will go. This is what I witnessed in Chankwanze. And I repeat, this is really not so much about me. That's why I'm rather relaxed, because I'm not very desperate. There are those who are saying that Mao is using this to bargain for a bigger position. Being a minister is a very big position. But also, a minister serves the president. I don't do my job. I do the president's job as a minister. As a matter of fact, on the 12th, we are handing over to the permanent secretary. All ministers are handing over to the permanent secretary. And then you wait for the president to form his government, because he's the one who has executive power. So why do people talk as if they must die in a particular position? It is up to the president to decide. For me, I'll remain Member of Parliament elect. As Member of Parliament elect, I'm ready for anything, because appointments to the cabinet are a prerogative of the president. He is the one to decide who he wants to assign what position. But I think he saw in me something, and that's why he kept that position vacant for 1 year.